away. Why the hell would you waste good food? Sir, I already gave you a choice. And you went with the other option. Only choose one. Bread roll or lotto ticket. Now it's all up to you to choose which one you want.
I'm not the one here who wasted this. That was you people.
I used to work at the games, you know. Clearing and incinerating the bodies of countless people like you, Mr. Song. These things aren't human. They're just trash, useless. They have no purpose in this world.
Yeah! You and that girl would have been the majority you needed to get out! Going home without a single cent, I couldn't do that!
Son, I've always wondered how you made it out of there alive. Considering just how terrible a Tachi you were. You're trash and just as worthless as everyone else. And you only made it out of the dumpster because you got lucky.